Itu me oja cushion achieve chief case. Army Huey production akwa Ramani River Kala Seema Kala Hili Ratanghai Yari Natum Sai Korali Salam Lile Kala English Hongsokta Achu Itum He movie Yangra Hirak Hai Jivi Wangai in a movie with Matang Shukra in a Natum Share Sangai Matai make up the Itum the movie Chiklada movie Kiklas into Shukra Tang Rumse Shenima movie most powerful medium means for mass communication. You can tell a story, you can convey a message, and you can tell the audience what you want. You can entertain them, you can send messages, what type of messages you want. In my opinion, in my view, itumna ki chitanga kala audience ki chitanga kala yari ki chitanga kala ki itum movie medium sakik China itum ogtui hindi ringdale laka itum we social issue political message gichila hiwi cinema means itum patriotism nationalism kala opinion it will true movie we can do ka itumna he will industrially survive sage jaka we have to be professionals whether you are a writer script writer or an actor or an artist and for that matter all of us involved in this movie making China itum atang ili sanchili ngahane itum kathada he will feel really successor kle chaka chidel China natum li hangi hili ka chidakle natum sai kor itum professional art sase achiwi adam hili yelo audience ha sada you want to be entertained but your standard is very high. Not in the olden days, but today I'm saying, I want our movie having a good content, a good storyline, and a good performance from the actors. Hita how the ara ituna hili survive sage chaka make production no. Please remember. You have to be a professional. Otherwise, you will not succeed. China itumi hili actor, itumi context na hanse jaka. Kai kana ituma ringshina haida or ituma pesa mane mada. Ituma mare sangram mane mahogram mane. No, that is not correct. Ituna yang say Tom Cruise, Arnold, Stella, Demi Moore. I can name number of them. They were so poor in the beginning. Very humble beginning. But they become very, very famous. They earn lots of money. How? Why? Because they work so hard. Isi TANGKHUL you are subsidy-minded person. That is killing you. You want subsidy, you want charity. I said no. This is killing you. Please remember, let's work very hard. Thaka, even the poorest fellow can become very, very rich. Even context I was so poor as a student. Financially, we were so poor. But I tried, I studied. I don't say I have become very big, but we tried. China itum he, let's work very hard. He got away, Adam Hili, in a movie way, in a cinema way. Adam Hili in a family, Delker, introduce My youngest son, his name is Yang Hoko. He St. Stephen's, Delhi, economics honors Kakini. China, itu na expect saya, economics kila ka what kahapsara de police ka. He wants to be a movie maker. So he joined Whistling Woods. China on Whistling Woods salaka on the sugar. Achivitili, Otsaye, Chile, Otkasahili, one of the movies he associated with. Name of the movie is Hindi Medium. Hindi Medium he on a scriptwriter, Sadekala assistant director, Sadek. So he, in a movie, he took a guy power with very, very low budget of rupees 14 crores. That movie become a hit, and they earn around 322 crores. Still, they are earning. 14 crores and more than 300 crores they earn. How this movie is successful, that is the message I want to tell. Why I bring my family on that thing is that there is a storyline. There is a social message. In this movie, struggled so hard to give the best education to the daughter. And to do that, they went to extreme length to get it thing done. China, movie content. As a father, as a parents, we went to so many colleges to get admission for our children. I'm sure most of us have experienced this. Chita the sada movie with content, movie with storyline. He mata the relevant side movie content. Plus, Irfan Khan, his performance was outstanding. China, storyline Sunghao, performance Hao, topic Pahi, subject Pahi, relevance Hao, Kichuana, movie success. I can name many movies with very, very low budget that are very, very successful. One English movie, The Blair Witch Project, they spend less than 5 crore in today's money. They earn 2,000 crores plus, 5 crore less. You spend, you earn 2,000 crores. There are many movies I know, they spend only few lakhs, but they have succeeded on a lot of money. So, what I am trying to tell to all of you is that it is not just the money you spend, but it is because you have a movie that has a storyline, that has a subject to convey, a message to convey, and the actors and the artists, the cast, all of them, they perform very well. Hita dasade itumna, ningmatyal se itum, ari haklakan na maho pai, but we can succeed. Inadam na tumi, tiyo ka pokheoge. I have some message to convey. What is the raw material we have to make movie? But I'm tempted to say a few more words. That is, one topic that we have is our NAGA freedom struggle. We have made so much sacrifices. We have gone through the sufferings that you cannot describe. This is a raw material we have for good movies. Ari Aintanda Itumli, Government of India, Shichin Laka, Divaitsa Laka, Itumla, Ari Katana, Muslim concept. We have to be united to get what we want. Itum, disunity, divided side, itum, Retila. Ka ili Hanunghaoga itum unity le we fight together, we can get it. And this message can be conveyed through this medium, that is the movie. Itum in Manipur, he saw the charm. Particularly why we tribals have become so poor. One of the reasons is corruption. Today we should be having a war on corruption. Biren Asadale, war on drugs. Very good. But what is the bigger problem we have? That is the corruption. Why the poorest farmer today is cultivating poppy plant? Because he has been driven to that extreme step. How to corruption Therefore, this is another topic through this movie medium that we should convey this message to all of us that we cannot survive without fighting the corruption. You can see that in a today all projects, all contracts, all appointments, transfer and postings, elections, you buy votes. You sell shares. This is killing us. These things have ruined us. China is corruption. If we want to fight, let us use this India, this movie as a medium. Manipur situation. Another reason why we have become so poor is that government of India I learned him. Maintain Israel. Maintain that facts is a fact. Budget are we current budget 32,547. Let me again repeat. 32,547 crores. This is our budget, current budget. As per the Finance Commission formula, according to that formula, we tribals in Manipur should get 51% of 32,547 crores, which comes to around 16,000 crores plus. UKhrul, population, geography area, forest cover, poverty, formula UKhrul district here. For this current year, one single year I'm talking, you should get 3,500 crores. Minimum. Is it coming to us? Are you getting it? Everything is taken by the plain people. Can we accept this? Can we do something about this? Using these means, through cinema, through movies, I'm appealing to you, let's do it. Let us have other means also to fight. But this is also one of the means. I can go on talking and talking. We can utilize it. Problem. Those problems, those issues affecting us, I can name, I can discuss again and again, but I don't have time today. I have been given 7 minutes. I think I have already exceeded. Therefore, I will not go on, but let us use all these important issues we have, and through movie, let us bring changes. Thank you so much.